Okay, we're having to clear the area now. And I may have to move back from this position. They're just moving the people back. Presumably they've cleared the patient either to a hospital, or maybe they'll take off in the ambulance that you can see there in front of me. The sun is still shining and people are pretty relaxed considering the confusion. It's going to get very windy in a few minutes. Well, the helicopter is still waiting to take off, or whatever it's going to do. We will have to hang on to our hats. One or two officials moving the public up here, up the stairs. If we look up there, you can see people standing in front of the National Gallery. That's a beautiful building. We're looking across. The helicopter has its landing lights flashing red. Oh my God, my drink's gone. Help, help, my drink. Oh dear. Okay, I've got a different position here now. Managed to rescue my drink. The rotor blades are beginning to turn now. Revving up. We assume the patient has gone off in an ambulance. Obviously this is now taking off. Very spectacular, I must say. It's not quite ready yet, it's warming up. I think the co-pilot is checking the outside. It's not a sight you see very often in Trafalgar Square. Okay, looks like the co-pilot is going back towards the helicopter. Okay, yeah, he's boarding the... No, wait a minute. Okay, yeah. Now boarding the helicopter. Spectacular scene on one of the hottest days of the year here in London. A bit difficult to see as we're filming against the sun. Right, okay, here we go. can track it. Well, I'm afraid that's the end of the excitement. There's just a few pieces left in the centre there. People are starting to move around, quite relaxed. A much calmer atmosphere now. So it's goodbye from me. It's Chris Wood this afternoon on a very lovely sunny day. Okay. Bye bye and thanks.